three guesses where we're at. First two don't count. Where else? The rack strip. Did we come carless? No, we got one car here. Grand National. Some changes have been made to it. So we're going to test it. Check that one out later too, hopefully. We're going to test the Grand National, see how the changes go. I know we're not putting a killer tune-up in it to begin with. We're going to see how everything reacts to start with. So stay with us. Hope you enjoy it. All right, if you've seen the last video, you've seen this car in it, you've seen the complete restoration on it, and well, there's the man now. Hey, what's
Rob,
up, Jeremy?
Doing good this evening. How you doing?
I'm just looking over the car again after we done our little video of it.
Cool, I like
Guys,
it.
if you ain't watched that video, go back and watch it. The restoration on this car.
Yeah,
So.
I love it. I'm still loving it. I'm driving it every day. It ain't set one day since. I put about 500 miles on it within a week.
Right.
But I want to give a shout out to the guy I forgot to do on the first video, Sean Robertson in West Jefferson, North Carolina. He done the motor, put it together to the Golf Robert. He went through it and put it all back together and put a different cam and everything in it. And Sean done it.
Yeah, definitely want to give Sean a shout out there. You don't want to, it's hard to remember everybody when you're doing work on one, but you don't want to, forget nobody. It's hard to remember all the time. So,
Sean, this is for you, buddy.
We definitely got him in there then.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get back to some, you taking it down? No, you told me it's on break-in period. Okay, that's fine.
We ain't taking it down. I just want to drive it up here. Ain't been up here in a few months. Thought I'd get out a little bit, drive it.
Okay.
So, no, we ain't taking her down the strip. No.
All right. Well, I'm gonna get up here and check on the Grand National there. He made a soft pass there, so
look like he's doing good.
We'll see how it done for him.
All right, Robert. Thank you.
Okay, Grand National is getting ready to make another pass, so he's going to take a passenger with him. So hopefully we'll get another wearing a helmet. Maybe we'll get some kind of reaction out of this.
Yeah, barely, buddy.
Yo! Yo! Yeah!
Yeah, barely, buddy.
Got you a couple passes, well, actually 3 passes in. I hear you're coming from some kind of ratch, how you say that? Ratch dude?
Ratchet?
Yeah,
Ratchet.
Ratchet.
I don't know. He's going to go down, though. And I'm on the right path. And here's...
You feel all this wind? It's awful breezy right now.
Yes, it feels good, don't it?
But you got 3 passes in the car. Of course, obviously, you wasn't going out trying to kill it, setting no personal best or anything like that. Seeing what we've seen, seeing in a tune, what do you think?
It's got a lot coming.
Yeah.
Just wait.
I'm leaning towards converter. It don't seem happy.
No, converter's getting
Look,
restalled.
it's my rich friend, Mr. Blaze. Converter doesn't seem happy. For me, it looks a little. I'm not going to say it's sluggish out of the hole because we know it's
sluggish.
not. It looks it, but we know the car is not. But up top, it was trying to eat pretty good. So
I got to the one highlight of the night, took my mom for a ride, and first time she ever rode in a going down the drag strip.
here's Mom. What do you think, Mom?
It was amazing.
Amazing. Thanks for videoing, by the way.
Thank you so much.
So since he's going after Ratch,
Right.
we decided we might just surprise you with a car and let you go after Ratch.
Okay.
Everybody's after rats. I stock computer Camaro. Who knew?
He don't want none of the king of the back.
This one here, he tries to play off he's not a pro mod, but his license plate says otherwise. And, you know, they do call him Wheelie Nelson, and you ain't gonna wheelie like he does unless you're making just a shit ton of horsepower.
Just an old heavy stock Camaro. Stock
computer.
Stock computer. Stock motor.
Sock seats.
Yeah.
It's not stock suspension. You've got upgraded shocks, and you got short travel struts.
See, every time I take off, it's like it jars my radio out. And you know, when I'm listening to Leonard Skinner and stuff like that, going all in 60 bucks, my radio cuts off.
You're the one that was complaining about how heavy my trunk lid is.
It's heavy. It's all steel car. They're both street cars.
That street car is supposed to. Never mind. I ain't even going there. But like I said, address the issues we think we got with it and go from there.
There'll be a competitor.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Car's come a long ways. I think put a converter in it. I think it's going to do everything he wants it to do. So definitely picked up a lot on the top
Yeah,
side.
yeah, I
For
do.
and I mean, it wasn't even all the boost. Nowhere near it. So.
Well, I mean, essentially tonight we were pretty much only halfway on the boost.
Yeah. You got another what? 15 pound left in it right after?
Yeah, I've got about another 15 psi left in the car. Still, for now, shifting it lower than what we're gonna go with it, and get the converter issue fixed. And next goal's outrun you,
Too fast.
fair and square.
Two fastest street cars in Ashe County, right?
Right.
I mean, we cruise a little bit, and then we come down here and lay it down. So, I mean, you know, ain't nobody pushing us yet. Hint.
I will give a little bit on your car there. The changes that were made, it made more power.
Less RPM, less boost, less timing.
So it picked up where we were looking for it to pick up at. So that right there tells us it's going in the right direction.
Yeah, car's still going straight. Everything's still working.
And pretty much too, I fixed my shock adjustments today, so I think that helped it back.
Yeah, definitely. Well, you got it loaded up. You gonna drag Ratch up the mountain?
Hey, he's
Probably
hey,
not.
You know, it's supposed to be a decent event down here. All I see is Chevrolets, and I'm gonna tell you something. I better be glad that 605,000 mile Dodge ain't down there tonight.
Yeah,
You
the
know,
ball joints might fall
I'm
out.
out of fuel, or I'd be down there.
Well, the night's done for us. Can't complain. Seen what we wanted to see with the Grand National. These guys are hungry, so let's go in there and get something to eat. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Leave us some comments. We'll catch you on the next one.